We've got our logo right here, which looks fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and approve that. We've got card patterns in here as well. That looks good. We've also got the marketing site UI in here, which we've already taken a look at. That looks great. In addition to the new redesigned dashboard UI kit, which looks fantastic. It looks even better than the one I have now. And we can also should be able to change the theme to light or dark mode from there. So now it's just a matter of integrating this into my existing code base and redesigning the site over here. Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through how to completely redesign your website using Anthropic Labs Claude Design. So I've already got it open right here. You can see it's currently in the research preview mode. And I've already created some documents over here, and this is the latest one, which is my TubeAnalytics design system. I've just gone ahead and set up all of my brand guidelines, and I've also imported a design.md file, which I was able to create over here inside Claude Code. That has all of my fonts, the full color palette, the layout, border radius, all animations, background effects, the navigation styles, and the visual context. And if we want to open that up, it's right here. You can see it's got my brand identity, the product logo, tagline, domain, as well as all of the typography and color palette for both dark and light mode, because I have two different modes on my website. This is how you're going to set up your design system. You can just click on create a new design system right here, and it's going to drop you into setting up your design system. Now from here, you can connect up your GitHub so it has access to all of your code, as well as add the fonts, logos, and assets. This is where I recommend dropping in the design.md file that you've created inside Claude Code, and then it will start building the redesign, just like it's doing over here. It's reviewing the draft design system. It says that the repo isn't accessible via the GitHub app. That's probably because it's a private repo, but that's fine. It got the design.md file. It's extremely detailed. It has a full color system, typography, everything inside there. So it's writing the README file, and it's registering the assets. So these are all the different assets that we need in order to redesign the site. And it's going to register all the preview cards. So that's navigation, hero, features, pricing, and footer. And it's going to build the full UI kits, starting with the marketing site component. So right now it's just creating the index.html file, mockup that it's created for TubeAnalytics, as well as the complete UI kit, which is building out right here. I think that already looks a lot better, to be honest. And then we've also got the dashboard UI kit in here as well. So it's completely redesigned at the dashboard, and I would say it looks even better now. And we've got the type scale in here as well, so the H1 to H4 fonts, I like the way those look as well. So you could just go through and take a look at all of the assets, including typography, all the colors for the website, and the chart colors. Those are all in here as well. We've got some really nice looking buttons in here as well, which look even better than what I have over on my site right now. Definitely needs a bit of work. I just want to completely redesign this using Claude Design, and I figure why not make a tutorial while I'm doing it. So I think this all looks really good, and now it's just asking me over here. It says the GitHub was not accessible, once again because it's a private GitHub. So yeah, since it didn't actually have access to my GitHub, I just had to go ahead and authenticate that real quick. So now it should have access to my GitHub over here. It says Claude Design import. I've gained access to all of my repositories, and now we should be able to run this again. It's currently rebuilding the marketing UI kit with the real source, and it's going to rebuild the dashboard UI kit as well and update the preview cards for accuracy. It's currently rebuilding the hero section of my website, which is this top section right here. And if you click on design files in the upper tab, you can also see all of the design files that it's creating over here. So all the HTML files, the source files, components, as well as the UI kits that it's building for the dashboard and the marketing, as well as the design.md file, which is what I've already uploaded. You can also take a look at it over here as well. And it's also got a skill.md file in here as well. This is a specialized skill that it created for redesigning the site. And it also has a README file over here as well. So you can take a look through all of those directly within Claude Design, which is pretty cool. And it looks like right now it's just writing the navigation to hero, pricing, and the footer. You can also take a look at the navigation as well as the new marketing site UI kit, which looks really, really nice. I definitely like the way that looks even better. You can also take a look at the dashboard UI kit as well. So that looks fantastic. I really, really like the way that looks. And we'll see how easy this is to implement into my existing site within Claude Code. Now it's just going ahead and verifying that everything is correct. You can see right here, it's currently verifying the site. All sources are accessible and used, and it's just asking, let me know if you like any screens added, video analytics, audience, or anything refined. Sure, why not? Go ahead. And now this is what the finished design system looks like. We've got our logo right here, which looks fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and approve that, as well as some animations. We've got card patterns in here as well. That looks good. Badges and section labels. Here's the navigation bar, which looks very similar to the way it does now, but that's okay. We've also got the marketing site UI in here, which we've already taken a look at. That looks great. In addition to the new redesigned dashboard UI kit, which looks fantastic. It looks even better than the one I have now. And we can also should be able to change the theme to light or dark mode from there. There it is. We've also got all of the fonts, brand and accent colors, the buttons. This is what the buttons are going to look like. They're really clean and polished. I like it a lot. And yeah, everything is looking fantastic. So now it's just a matter of integrating this into my existing code base and redesigning the site over here. Just going to go ahead and build those other 3 screens, which were the videos, analytics, and audience screens. So looks like it was able to go ahead and do that, still verifying everything. You can see here it is building out the individual screens within Claude Design, which is really cool. There, look at the analytics tab. That looks really, really nice, even better than the one I have now. And if I wanted to build out these screens for these remaining ones, I could go ahead and do that as well. All I would have to do is just say, create screens for performance, calendar, engagement. So now it's just going to quickly go through and create the UI kit for each of these screens that we want to build out inside the dashboard over here. Overall, I say this looks a lot better. It's a much cleaner design. So I'm really loving the way this is looking so far. And again, it's just getting all of the code from my GitHub in order to build this out. So it looks like in this case, all I need to do is hand this off to Claude Code, and it gives me a command to run right here, or I can also download it as a .zip file if I want to do that. And I also have the option to send this to Claude Code Web. So it says, I exported this design from Claude Design, read readme.md in this workspace, then and implement the designs as described there. So this is going to create a new app. That is definitely not what I want. That's not what I want at all. So I'm just going to close out of that. And what we really want to do is to hand it off to Claude, and we need to copy this command. So fetch this design file, read its readme, and implement the relevant aspects of the design. And we can come over to the terminal here, and I'm just going to even call the front end design skill, since it has a skill built into it. And we're just going to say fetch this design file, read its readme, and implement the relevant aspects of the design. Let's see what this does. I'm just going to run that. Hopefully I don't hit any credit limits, although I am going to run out of credits pretty soon here. I'm about 84% used and 100% used for the week. And now at 87%. Let's see if it's able to complete this. It did hit the credit limit over here, but it looks like I do have some balance left in my extra usage. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in and use the API usage billing instead so that we can finish this up hopefully. This is one of the things that I'm constantly running into with Claude Code is I'm hitting limits. So we're just going to top this up with about $5 right here. And we should be able to log in over here. I'm also going to switch my model to Haiku for this case, just so that it's able to finish this task. It's only $1 per million tokens versus $3 for Sonnet. So we're going to go ahead and switch the model to Haiku, which I rarely use. So there we go. Let's see if it can finish this up, and then we can check out the new website, which has been completely redesigned with Claude Design and Claude Code. Okay, so it says design implementation complete. All key components already match the design bundle. So we've got the pricing table, sidebar, metric card, everything should be integrated in now. It says the code base is already aligned with the design system. No further implementation needed. Designs are production ready. So I'm just going to start up my dev server, which is running on localhost, and we can take a look at the website and see if it is fixed. Still looks the same, actually. That looks the same as it did before, as far as I can tell. So what I've gone ahead and done is I've just thrown the design system into ChatGPT Codex 5.4 over here, which often does an even better job than Claude Code, and you can see it has now updated the CSS for the buttons, the badges, also the cards, the typography, a bunch of other text area as well, select boxes. It's just gone through and updated all of those. And I've just pushed that up to my GitHub and deployed a new version. So if we come over here, we can see this is what the new website looks like. It's using the new typography, and it's also changed some of the buttons as well, and it just looks really, really nice. So I love what it's done so far, and I'm just going ahead and also updating the dashboard pages as well. Those are not public pages, but you can see here that it's updating the dashboard shell, as well as time range selector and a bunch of other components, including the header, the sidebar, almost identical to what we have over here. This is how I want the dashboard to look, the new and improved version. With each one of the screens, it just looks really, really nice, much better than what I have right now. So we can go ahead and update those as well, which is exactly what it's doing right now. I'm really impressed with ChatGPT Codex. This is oftentimes even better than Claude Code in a lot of ways, and it's faster and also more powerful. They just came out with ChatGPT 5.5 as well, which we can now integrate in over here. So we'll wait for this to finish and see what it looks like. And voila, here is the finished website with the design implementation changes that we've gotten from Claude Design. They've changed some of the typography, also the buttons have been updated, and the cards, it's looking really, really nice now. So if I just click here, we can take a look through all of the features. It looks great. It doesn't really look all that much different than it did before. There's still some more work that needs to be done, but I can see that the buttons have been updated. We can also change the color scheme here as well, from dark mode to light mode. I think that looks really clean as well. So overall, I'm really impressed by what Claude Design has done here. And if you have any questions for me, go ahead, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead and do so. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching this video. Take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand. I will see you in the next one. Signing off.